myself Dr. Mohammad Kamran Chisti. I'm a consultant psychiatrist in Kolar. Today, on World Suicide Prevention Day, I would like to talk regarding suicide, risk factors, protective factors, and warning signs of suicide, and the methods to prevent a suicide. To begin with, what is suicide? Suicide is an intentional act initiated to kill oneself. It is important to have a knowledge of suicide, as suicide is world's third leading cause of death, and every 40 seconds a person commits suicide, and around 8 lakh people every year dies due to suicide. The risk factors are at higher risk of committing suicide compared to women. The risky age group is between 19 to 45 years, but the incidence of suicide increases after 45 years. The people who are single are at higher risk compared to the married counterparts. The people who are suffering from any medical illness or any psychiatric illness can commit suicide, but the incidence is more in the people who are suffering from depression and has alcohol or any other drug addictions. The people who are having the family history of suicide and has past history of attempt to suicide are at higher risk of committing suicide again. In children's and adolescent age group, the various causes for committing suicide can be due to bullying at school or college, difficulty in coping with the education system, ongoing parental issues, family discord, or having history of any mental illness. The protective factors are strong family support and community support, strong religious and socio-cultural beliefs, good problem-solving skills, and utilization of non-violent methods for solving the issues, and seeking medical help for the illnesses. The person may show some warning sign before committing a suicide. Usually they convey their intentions of committing suicide to their close friends and their relatives. Usually they convey through verbal form. They make some final agreements like close the bank accounts, make the will, and try to clear their debts. They try to gather the lethal weapons, and apart from this there will be various behavioral changes, like they used to have excessive sadness, they have hopelessness about themselves. The people apart from this may show the behavioral changes in their personality and may have some sleep problems. By utilizing some simple techniques, you can prevent a person from committing suicide. First is offer your help. Second, try to speak with the person regarding their problems and their sufferings. Try to convey the problems and suffering with their families. If the person is already on any medical or psychiatric treatments, consult a doctor for the same and seek the further guidance. If the person is at high risk, consult a local suicide helpline. Other methods to prevent suicide are responsible media reporting regarding the suicide, as many people utilize these media reports for as a modeling for committing suicide, and public education is very important, especially in school children and college going groups regarding the mental illness and the suicide. Every life is important. Every person has a right to live. Say yes to life, no to suicide.